Take a look at the question here. A sum of money invested at simple interest, it amounts to rupees 6,192 at the end of 6 years and to rupees 8,784 at the end of 12 years. You are asked to find the sum. Find the sum means you are asked to find what is the principal amount. Okay. So I shall just draw an interesting timeline here. Okay. Just see. So this is the principal amount. They are asking you what it is. This principal amount, it grows because you have put it under a simple interest screen. So this grows, and as indicated in the question, this money invested, the principal amount invested at simple interest, it amounts to rupees 6192 at the end of 6 years. So when you see that it's 6 years, this principal amount, it has grown and it has become 6,192. Okay. This is what it happens at the end of 6 years. Further, it is given the same principal amount invested, it grows and it amounts to 8,784 at the end of 12 years. So, if you observe carefully, you can see that at the end of 12 years, okay, so I'm just writing it here, 12 years, okay, this money, it has grown and it has become 8,784. So I can see that this 6 year, I'm taking it as the reference, and then this 12 year, and I'm comparing. I can see that the money has actually grown from 6,192 to 8,784, right? You consider the 6 year as the reference. Okay, the starting reference, the money was 6192, 12 year as the next point. So in this 6 year span of time, from 6 year to 12 year, in this 6 year span of time, the money, you can see that it has grown from 6,192 to 8,784. Don't you see that? So can you tell me what is the growth here? The delta value I am considering. What is the growth here? It is 8,784 minus 6,192. That is the growth that this money has made. And how much it comes to? When you perform 8784 minus 6192, the delta that comes here as 2,592. Okay, this amount, it will come as 2,592. Now, listen carefully. What is this 2,592? This 2,592 is nothing but the simple interest that the principal amount it got for 6 year span of time. For 6 year span of time. Okay, so write it down in the same way. Okay, so for 6 year span of time, the simple interest, it got accumulated. That is coming as 2,592. So, considering 6192 as the principal amount, in 6 years, accumulating 2,592 as the interest, this 6192 plus 2592 when you do, you can say it becomes 8784. Got the point? But since simple interest, it follows the linearity, can I not say that this simple interest accumulated from the beginning till the first 6 year, this simple interest will also be equal to 2592. So the principal amount plus 2592, it yields to 6192. Got the point? Because the frame of reference is from the beginning. In the first 6 years, the money, it has grown and become 6192. The simple interest got for these 6 years it is nothing but 2592 because it follows the linearity, right? So I can see that the principal plus 2592 should give you 6192. Then what is the principal amount? The principal amount will be 6192 minus 2592, 2592. And how much this comes to? When I do the calculation, I can see that 6192 minus 2592, when you do, this will come here as 3600. Okay, so it starts with 3600. Observe this. In 6 years, the cumulative simple interest, it is 2592. So 3600 plus 2592 gives you 6192. Next 6 years, it again grows by 2592. So thus, 6192 plus 2592, when you do, there you go, you are getting the result here as 8784. So that is what it is happening, right? Now we are able to do this question very easily because we follow simple interest always, it happens that linearity. So what the question is, find the sum, the principal amount. And I can see that the principal amount, the final answer, when I am considering, it is equal to 3600. And that is what you have to consider here. Okay.